What's the meaning of adulterous? Adulterous. 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 The term adulterous refers to the act of committing adultery, which is engaging in sexual relations with someone who is not one's spouse. Adultery is considered a breach of trust and a violation of the marriage contract. It can have devastating consequences, such as the breakdown of the relationship, emotional trauma for all parties involved, and potentially even legal consequences. It undermines the foundation of a committed relationship and can cause long-term damage to both individuals and families, with trust being difficult to restore.